Welcome to Resolve the Bet. Today's crap strategy comes from Waylon's Ways Craps, and it's called Why Can't You See? Why can't you see? Why can't you see what you're doing to me on the dark side? This is a dark side strategy. It's actually not a bad little strategy. We're going to roll it out here. Obviously, see how it does in win craps. Waylon starts off with a $1,000 bankroll, although in his video he's showing a $2,000 bankroll. He never really gets into it. He does say that it's a $1,000 bankroll. His bets start off at about $100. We're going to put that down into our bankroll that we use, which is $600 in our bankroll management that we like to play. If you don't know what that is, take a look at the first video that explains it all. Anyways, Waylon's strategy works like this. It starts off first with a $50 don't pass. $50 don't pass. And then he is putting a $100 lay bet on the 4. Now, let's look at some of the holes in the strategy. On the come out roll, if he rolls a 7, he actually will win with the 4, $50 minus the $2 lay, so he'll win $48. So really he's only losing $2 if he rolls a 7. If he rolls a 2 or a 3, he will win $50. If you roll an 11, that's a $50 loser. 12 is obviously a push. Now, if we establish a point, the first thing is, what happens if our point is a 4? If our point is a 4, obviously we're going to lose that $100. What we then do is we make a $200 odds bet, and that's when it's a 4. That way we can win our $100 back that we lost, plus still win the $50. Okay, now let's just say it was the sister number, because you could lay the 10 or the 4, but if it's the sister number, we'll just say it's the 10 over here. Put it on the 10. If that's the case, then we actually take our lay bet down as an odds bet, get our $2 back, and we'll play the odds on the don't pass. Okay, what if it's the 5 or the 9? The 5 or the 9, we had our lay up here initially. If that's the case, all we do then is remove our lay bet, and we're just playing for the $50 on the don't pass. And if it's the 6 or the 8, by the way, what's the hole here? With the 4 and the 10, it's obviously hitting the point. If it's the 5 or the 9, it's obviously hitting the point. And if it's the 6 or the 8, then we actually come out ahead no matter what. Because if it's the 6 or the 8, we still have the lay on here. So if we hit the 4, that's the hole. Okay. But he actually puts down $48 on the 6. Because what that'll do is cover our don't pass if we hit the 6, which is, he kind of gets a little worried about that, since there's 6 ways to roll the 7, 5 ways to roll the 6. If we win the 6, we'll end up winning $6. If we hit the 7, we'll end up winning $2. It both works out. It pays for itself, so it's not like it's anything there. Really, we're hoping for the 7 so that we can just win right there, the $50 on the lay. So we're taking the pressure off of the 6 and the 8 here. Okay, let's then roll it out here for a little bit so you can actually see how this works, and then we'll get into some analysis. Okay, let's start it out. $50 on the don't pass. We want a $100 lay bet, please. Bets are puck is off. Lay bet is always working. Dice are out. That's a 516. 516. 516. Our point is 6. Okay, we're going to do a $48. $48 on the 6. We're keeping our lay here. Here we go. We're looking for that 7. Looking for that 7. Dice are out. 1-1. Snake eyes. Aces in both places. 6-3. That's a. Ooh, I moved the dice there on accident, but that was a 6-3-9. 6-3-9. Dice are out. That's a 3-2-5. 3-2-5. 3-2-5. Dice are out. And there it is. 5-2-7. 5-2-7. Pay us some money. All right, we'd win $50 here, but we'd lose 48. So we only net $2 on that. And we'd win $50 here. $52 win. Nice. $52 win right out the bat. All right. Coming out. 5-2-7. 5-2-7. Doesn't hurt us. At least not too bad. That's a $50 winner. Remember, you pay $2 for your VIG there. Anyways, $50 here. Lose $50 here. So we're basically broke even. Actually, we lost $2. All right. Coming out. Yo, 11. That's one of the holes. That is one of the holes that we do not like to see. That is a $50 loser. $50 loser. Coming out. 5-3-8. 5-3-8. 5-3-8. Point is the 8. All right. What are we going to do here? $48, please, on the 8. Thank you, dealer. And here we go. Looking for that 7. Dice are out. Oh, hard 8. Hard 8. That's all right. We lose the 50 here, but here pays us 56. Perfect. $6 net win. No worries on that. All right. Let's do a couple more here if we can. It's kind of fun rolling it out. One more time. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. Dice are out. Oops. Almost forgot to take our puck off. Here we go. Dice are out. Coming out. 6-3-9. 6-3-9 is our point. 6-3-9. All right. Dice are out. 3-2-5. Now I made a mistake. That's all right. We're going to make mistakes. This needs to come down. And we can take it down now. That's no big deal. But if we would have forgot at the casino, that would have kind of sucked. Unless we rolled a 7. But if we would have hit a 4, that would have sucked. So take the pressure off of that now. And now we're rolling for the 7. 4-1-5. Back to back. 4-1-5. Dice are out. Boxcars. 6-6. Dice are out. That's a 5-1-6. 5-1-6. Dice are out. That's a 4-1-5. 4-1-5 again. Where is that 7? That's a 5-1-6. 5-1-6. Dice are out. That's a 3-3-6. Hard 6. Dice are out. Ooh, there's the hard 4, and that's why we take it down. Hard 4. Hard 4. Dice are out. Another 4-2-6. 4-2-6. 4-2-6. Dice are out. That's a 2-1-3. 2-1-3. Wow, we're having a long roll. There it is. As soon as I say something. 5-2-7. 5-2-7. That's what we like. $50 winner. I think you're getting the gist of how this works. So let's take a look at this with win craps. We'll roll it out with 10 sessions, 100 sessions, 1,000 sessions. If you were to play at the casino every day of your life, and we'll analyze that, take a look at the results, and see what we get. Okay, let's take a look at the three main results that I like to look at. And I like to take 1,000 sessions to look at those results. So for this strategy, we're looking at a 71.5% win rate, a 28.5% loss rate. It's not too bad, 71%, pretty good. It's not the best that we've done so far, but it's not too bad. When we look at the other two, we can see that with our total wagers, 22,116, we did win more wagers than we lost. However, for the amount of money that we put down, 1.5 mil, we did not win as much as we lost. And that's a negative number, the red. Remember, we want that net percent for total money wagered to be 0 or positive. And quite honestly, I have not found a strategy yet that's going to do that. If you can find a strategy that'll put you in the blue, that means you found a strategy that can beat the casino. If we can stay ahead of the game with that 71.5%, then we can have winning nights at the casino. And we play with our bankroll management, get in and get out quick. We have good chances. A 71.5% chance. Okay, anyways, the casino's always giving you that chance. That's one thing you can't remember. It's up to you to say, is any chance better than none at all? I do appreciate all the support you guys give me. If you do want to buy the auto bet file so that you can run it on WinCraps yourself, I sell it for $1. It's down in the description. Helps support the channel. There's some other things down there too, like merch, or if you want to just buy me a coffee for making a video, that's always nice. Until next time, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and thanks for watching.